this is Rashmi from Bangalore. I work as test architect at Happiest Minds. Now let us see what are the top 3 skills a tester must have. First, strong analytical and critical thinking. Yes, this is the skill that outshines the tester from the rest in his team. The main objective of testing is not to break the software, rather make the software more reliable and stable. How do we do that? One must have out-of-the-box thinking, deep dive understanding of the business requirements, understanding why we are building, what is the problem that we are trying to solve by building this application or a product, who are the end customers, that putting oneself into an end customer's shoe, analyzing the requirements, coming up with different scenarios. All these qualities is a must and it acts as an asset for a good tester. Breaking down large complexities of the requirements into a logical chunks and giving an eagle-eye view will make us emerge with different scenarios. Many people say that these are edge case scenarios, but I would say that these are the scenarios which the users actually use. So, strong analytical skills is a must. Now let's see what is the next one. It's excellent communication skills. Yes. Tester is the one who collaborates with different stakeholders. He communicates maybe with the product owner, the business manager, developers, higher officials. He also gives the current state of the product or the quality it is. What are the different risks that he foresees? What are the different issues or defects that are being raised? Converting the business requirements into a test scenarios. Talking to product and the engineer, converting the business terminology into an understandable technical terms. So he should be good at both business as well as technical. It's not only verbal communication, even the written communication plays a key role. We have often seen many half-baked emails have put a project into a confusion state. So your emails, your test scenarios, your articulation skills are a must and it's most required by a good tester. Be strong, efficient and profound in your communication skills. Third one, it's appetite for learning. Often we hear that if you're not good at coding, choose testing as your career option. It's easy. This is a falsified statement. Over the years, we have seen testing has grown leaps and bounds and exponentially. We have seen so many accelerators being built. Could be like record and play. There's automating the scenarios, now automating the automation. This is possible with constant learning and upskilling oneself. When I say upskilling, you need not add another programming language. It could be anything, be it from the business domain, the tools that are being used, the processes that are being followed, the technical stack that is being used in the projects. Keep yourself with the latest trend. In this competitive world, constant upskilling and learning is a must in order to have a great strength or in order to have a great hold in terms. If not, you'll become an obsolete. So, having strong analytical skills, excellent communication and appetite for learning are the 3 key skills that a good tester must have. Anybody can do testing, but a good tester does it thoroughly and more reliable. Thank you. Happy testing.
Hello, my name is Shraddha and I am from Pune and today I am going to tell you about the top important skills every tester must have. There are many skills that every tester must have, like the communication. It should be clear, both oral and written. You should know the SDLC. You should know the tools and technologies. But the 3 most important skills that I feel a tester must have is what I'm going to explain. So the first one, which is very important, is the understanding the customer requirements. So a clear and good customer requirement understandings will provide more understanding to the business. You can if the understanding of the product or the requirements is clear, you can think of some edge cases that can be very useful. Also, if you understand the business, overall business very well, you can provide very important suggestions for the software development. And with this, you can deliver a good quality software and also gain confidence, gain customer confidence, because the more you understand, the more thinking matches with the customer views, or they know that okay, you are understanding the business pretty well. So understanding the customer requirements is very important. Second is test planning. So test planning is very important for us to deliver a quality software within the decided time or timeline. So planning is also very important. Now planning includes many things, few like the scope, the tools and technologies that can be used, the environments, the risk, the efforts required. So your planning must be also very good. So it gives a clear picture that okay, can you deliver the software within the set deadline or not? How you can how you can do the testing. So overall planning is also very important in our STLC. And the last one, what I feel is important is constant learning. So you should be constantly learning new tools, technologies, whatever are coming up in the market. You may apply or may not apply in your project, but you should be constantly updated with the techniques. You should see if you can reduce the testing efforts by using some new tools. You should be able to see that if can you automate any process, if it is a repetitive process within the testing life cycle. So constant learning is very important. This is the third skill what I feel is required for every tester. Thank you.